Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making Panko Crusted Tilapia sandwiches with garlic and dill mayonnaise. So the very first thing we want to do is work on our tilapia here. We've got 2 fillets, which we've actually cut into now 4 actual strips of tilapia. We've patted it dry. Got it laid out here on our board. We have melted some butter. I'm just going to use my brush here and brush these with this melted butter. Okay, flip them over and do the same thing. All right, I'm going to season these. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. You could really kind of put anything you wanted onto these at this point. If you wanted to make them a little bit spicy, you could. You could add a little bit of garlic powder. Really, any seasonings you like, you could use right here. We're just going very simple. Some pepper. We'll put some salt on in just a second. Okay. Just a little bit of salt. All right, now we're going to take our panko breadcrumbs, lightly kind of sprinkle those over the top. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit out here on the cutting board. Kind of press our tilapia into it. Keep flipping it over and pressing it down until you get a nice coating. Okay, put that on our sheet. Continue this process here. All right, we're going to pop these into the oven at 450 for about 10 to 12 minutes or until these are nice and golden brown. All right, in the meantime, we're going to make what the French would call an aioli. We're just calling it a garlic dill mayonnaise. Okay, so we've got a little bit of prepared mayonnaise, light of course. We're going to season this with a bit of salt, fresh cracked black pepper. We've got some of our dill. I'm just going to rub it, kind of press it in between my fingers to release the flavor a little bit. About a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half here. Got garlic. It has been finely chopped, or in this case it would be completely fine. Sprinkle a little bit of salt over the garlic as you're chopping it and really use your knife to press it into a paste. As long as it's very, very fine, that's what you're looking for. I'm going to give this a little bit of a stir. Okay, got some lemon juice. Add a splash in. And some zest. Add a little bit more dill in. I'm going to save a little bit of dill to garnish with at the end. We're just going to really lightly Mix that together. We're good to go. Okay, we'll set that aside. We'll come back and check out our fish in just a few minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our fish. Looking nice and golden brown. All right, looks good. We're gonna let this cool for just a couple of minutes. In the meantime, we can start getting our sandwich ready. Got a nice whole wheat bun here, which I'm actually going to lay on my pan here for just a second, just to kind of use the heat left in the pan to kind of toast it, or at least firm it up just a little bit to kind of hold our mayonnaise. You could also do this in a dry skillet. Okay, and take a little bit of our garlic dill mayonnaise, spread it out on the bottom half of my bun. Place those 2 strips of tilapia on. Put a little bit on top. Okay, we have some nice salad greens here. We're just going to kind of pile on. Top it off. Just like that. We'll plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.